Sometimes things don't go as planned, but we can always find a fun way to fix them. Like when I wanted to paint sugar, but something unexpected happened. I got hiccups. My shaky hand made it hard to paint, so I needed to fix it. I felt really discouraged when nothing worked. But then I had a great idea. Since the hiccups wouldn't stop, I decided to make something special with them. Ta-da! What do you think?